The code of conduct is a very interesting and powerful persuasion technique. What you do is you ask them to behave in a certain way and consolidate that commitment. Even if it doesn't seem tangible, it's going to shape their way of thinking and their behavior in a very, very significant way. Let's take a look at how to use it.
The code of conduct is the fastest and easiest technique to simultaneously apply multiple qualification mechanisms like rigidity, indoctrination, initiative, and others. Although it's not a principle by itself, it is a powerful cocktail of principles that can create an immediate qualification effect in the other person. What you do is you simply prepare a code of conduct that contains the behaviors you expect the other person to take. These will usually be the behaviors of your ideal client or target. It doesn't have to be, and in fact, it shouldn't be, about specific actions, just ideals and behaviors. You can have a common format, such as, for example, for every principle saying, I, full name, commit to behaving in this way. When using this principle, it's important that you have a code of conduct for yourself as well, or at least a section for yourself in what you commit to doing. This is because it's much easier to convince somebody else to agree to a set of behaviors if you have one on your end as well. What this does is, despite not having any tangible commitment, it shapes the behavior and thinking of the person to make them more reinforceable at the end of the day. What are some do's and don'ts with this technique? Do crystallize the most important points in your code. This is your opportunity to elicit exactly the behaviors and the traits that you want from the target without apology. Be shameless about what you expect from them. Don'ts. Don't create a complex code. Have 3 or 4 key behaviors. These are usually enough. Have a one-pager. If the document is too long or too complex, the person may just refuse.
So as we just saw, the code of conduct is a very unique cocktail of influence techniques that works very, very well. And it's the perfect opportunity for you to consolidate the traits and the behaviors that you want the most in the person and just shamelessly force them to abide by them.